collections.OrderedDict objects. Ordered dictionaries are just like regular dictionaries but have some extra capabilities relating to ordering operations. They have become less important now that the built-in dict class gained the ability to remember insertion order. This new behavior became guaranteed in Python 3.7. Some differences from dict still remain. The regular dict was designed to be very good at mapping operations. Tracking insertion order was secondary. The ordered dict was designed to be good at reordering operations. Space efficiency, iteration, speed, and the performance of update operations were secondary. The ordered dict algorithm can handle frequent reordering operations better than dict, as shown in the recipes below. This makes it suitable for implementing various kinds of LRU caches. The equality operation for ordered dict checks for matching order. A regular dict can emulate the order sensitive equality test with P is equal to Q and all K is equal to K2 for K1 K2 in ZZip PQ. The pop item method of OrderedDict has a different signature. It accepts an optional argument to specify which item is popped. A regular dict can emulate ordered dictionaries od.popItem last is equal to true with d.popItem, which is guaranteed to pop the rightmost last item. A regular dict can emulate OrderedDict's od.popItem last is equal to false with k next iterator d.popk, which will return and remove the leftmost first item if it exists. OrderedDict has a move to end method to efficiently reposition an element to an endpoint. A regular dict can emulate OrderedDict's od.move to end k last is equal to true with dk is equal to d.popk, which will move the key and its associated value to the rightmost last position. A regular dict does not have an efficient equivalent for OrderedDict's.od.move to end k last is equal to false, which moves the key and its associated value to the leftmost first position. Until Python 3.8, dict lacked a reversed method. Class collections.OrderedDict items. Return an instance of a dict subclass that has methods specialized for rearranging dictionary order. Pop item last is equal to true. The pop item method for ordered dictionaries return and removes a key value pair. The pairs are returned in LIFO order, last in first out order if last is true, or first in first out order if false. Move to end key last is equal to true. Move an existing key to either end of an ordered dictionary. The item is moved to the right end if last is true. The default or to the beginning if last is false. Raises key error if the key does not exist. Example: collections OrderedDict. OrderedDict. Example 1. Import OrderedDict from collections. Import OrderedDict. A B C D E D dot move to and B and print dot join D. A C B D E. If I do not use this, what will happen? A B S E C D E B. Correct. D dot move to and B last is equal to false. Print D last is equal to false. It means B is the first. B A C D E. join print dot join d. So values will be printed like this. In addition to the usual mapping methods, ordered dictionaries also support reverse iteration using reversed equality test between. If I say d dot reversed and print d, so it will use the reverse order. There is reversed. Oh, underscore reversed. Let's see. Mutable object. That's print dot join C. Yeah, EDCAP, because it's a mutable object, so it is always returning a new object. So that's why we have to store it and then use it, because the reverse operation effect is inside this C object that has been returned from this call reverse. Equality tests between OrderedDict objects are order sensitive and are implemented as list od1 dot items equal list od2 dot items. Equality tests between OrderedDict objects and other mappings objects are orders insensitive like regular dictionaries. This allows OrderedDict objects to be substituted anywhere a regular dictionary is used. OrderedDict examples and recipes. It is straightforward to create an ordered dictionary variant that remembers the order the keys were last inserted. If a new entry overrides an existing entry, the original insertion position is changed and moved to the end. Class last updated OrderedDict store items in the order the keys were last added. Diff set item self key value super dot set item key value self dot move to end. An OrderedDict would also be useful for implementing variants of functools.lru cache. From collections import OrderedDict, from time import time. Class time bounded LRU cache that invalidates and refreshes all entries. Diff init self func max size is equal to 128 max size is equal to 30 self dot catch OrderedDict self dot func self dot max size self dot max size diff call self dot pointer args if args in self dot cache self dot cache move to and args time stamp result self dot cache args if time minus timestamp less than equal to self dot max edge result return result is equal to self dot func star self dot cache hours time result if length self cache greater than self dot max size self dot cache pop item 0 result. Class multi hit LRU cache that defers caching a result until it has been requested multiple times. To avoid flushing the LRU cache with one item request, we don't cache until a request has been made more than once. Diff init self func max size is equal to 128 max request is equal to 4096 cache after is equal to 1 self dot request OrderedDict uncached key request count self dot cache OrderedDict self dot func self dot max request self dot max size self dot cache after diff call self pointer args if args in self dot cache dot move to and args return self dot cache args result is equal to self dot func args self dot request arg self dot request dot get args 0 plus 1 if self dot request args less than equal to self dot cache after self dot request dot move to and args if length self dot request greater than self dot max request self dot request dot pop item else self dot request dot pop args none self dot cache args result if length self dot cache greater than self dot max size self dot cache pop item return result. Thank you.